as x coordinate 0 and y coordinate 0. So find the distance between origin and the given point. Okay. Find the distance between origin. You can take one point as O, origin 0, 0, and other point as A. What is the point? Distance between origin and the point minus 8, 6. Minus 8, 6. So distance between 2 points it will be OA. OA will be the distance between 2 points. So first coordinate you can take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. First coordinate we take x1, y1, second coordinate we take x2, y2. x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is minus 8, y2 is 6. So now use distance formula. Distance between O and A will be square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. y2 minus y1 square. So that will be square root of x2 minus x1. What is my x2? Minus 8. Minus 8 minus 0 square plus y2 6 minus 0 square. So that will be square root of minus 8 square. Minus 8 square plus 6 square. Simplify. So OA will be, yes, OA will be minus 8 square. Minus 8 square is same as 8 square, 64. 64 plus 36. So OA will be square root of 100, correct? So OA will be plus minus 10. Okay. Now since distance is never negative, distance is never negative, the distance can be 0, minimum distance can be 0, but it can never be negative. So this remember, minimum distance you can take 0, but the distance is never negative. So OA will be 10. OA is 10. Yes. So distance between origin and the given point is 10. Yes. Now let me give you the remaining problem of this second and third homework. Let me write second minus 5, minus 12. Minus 5, minus 12. Distance between origin and this point. Homework. Then third one. Origin and 8, minus 15. 8, minus 15. Homework. Origin is having both the coordinate, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. This you remember. And where is origin? Origin is the point where x axis and y axis meet. This is my origin. So at origin, x coordinate and y coordinate both are 0. Chalo. Find the distance between the point is 5. Find x. Third one. The distance between 2 points is 5. Find x. Chalo, do it. The distance between, see, whenever you study geometry or coordinate geometry or distance formula, I will advise you to draw the rough diagram. Whenever you are studying geometry or coordinate geometry or distance formula, always make the habit of drawing the diagram, rough diagram. Now third one, the distance between the points, third one, the distance between the points 3, 1 and 0, x is 5. Let us take 2 points. We take one A, other as B. 1 point, the distance between the points 3, 1. Suppose this is my 3, 1. Okay. And 0, x. 0, x. Okay. The distance between these 2 points is 5. Distance between these 2 points AB is 5. Distance between 2 points AB is 5. Find x. This x we have to find. Find x. Okay. So remember this, we always take the difference of the x coordinate and difference of the y coordinate. We do not mix in distance formula. Okay. So what is the formula AB? Yes, tell me. What is the formula? Square root of, yes, this is, see here my dear, this is my x1 y1 and this is my x2 y2. Does not matter whether it is x is there or not. So what is the formula? x2 minus x1 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So AB is given 5. 5 is equal to square root of x2 is 0. 0 minus 3 square plus x minus 1 square. So 5 is equal to square root of minus 3 square plus x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So 5 is equal to square root of minus 3 square is 9. X minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square. Okay, x square minus 2x plus 1. So 5 is equal to square root of 9 plus 1 10. X square minus 2x plus 9 plus 1 10. Now solve further. Let me see how you solve further. Let me see. Squaring both the sides. You square both the sides and remove the square root sign. So remove this square root sign. So squaring both the sides. My dear, those who are joining late, this is not the time to do. Chalo, okay. Simplify further. Yes, squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. Do it. So AB is, just check what you will get. X square minus 2x plus 5. Squaring both the sides. Let me give you 1 minute time to solve. Squaring both the sides. X square minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 5 square. Squaring both the sides, no? Squaring both the sides. Yes. Yes. Tanvi Patel, Satish Patel, what is the answer? Arvina is also there. Then Jai Gandhi. Yes, what is the answer? Squaring both the sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So you will get 5 square. And when you will square this, square root sign will vanish. So that will be x square minus 2x plus 10. What is 5 square? 25 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 10. We take, yes, we take 25 on this side. So 0 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 10 minus 25. So which I can write x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Which is the quadratic equation. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 2, and product is minus 15. What are the two numbers whose sum is minus 2, product is minus 15? Minus 5 and plus 3. No, minus 5 and plus 3, no. Minus 5 and plus 3, when you will add you will get minus 2, when you will multiply you will get minus 15. So this I can write x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 5 and 3. So x into x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is common. X minus 5 is common. So that will be x minus 5 x minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 5. Yes. X minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So that will give you x minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. That will give you either x minus 5 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. So that will give you x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. Plus 3 will go on other side, no, minus 3. But whether minus 3 is, no my dear, where x is my distance, x is not my distance, x is the coordinate. See that point. What is my x? X is the coordinate, x is not the distance. Are you getting? And the coordinates can be negative, positive, but x is not my distance in this. X is a coordinate. Coordinate can be negative also, positive also. So let me write, since x is the coordinate of the point, since x is the coordinate of the point, x is the coordinate of the point, since x is the coordinate of the point, x can be negative as well as positive. X can be positive as well as negative both. Positive as well as negative. X is a coordinate, my dear. Okay, 0 comma x. X is the coordinate. X is not the distance. As well as negative. So we consider both values of x. So finally the value of x is 5 or minus 3. The value of x is 5 or minus 3. This is clear? Yes or no? X is a coordinate. X is not the distance. So minutely you have to observe the things. X is the coordinate. X is not the distance. So coordinates can be negative, positive. We have seen the quadrant, no? Yes or no? We have seen the first quadrant. First quadrant, x and y both are positive. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative. Fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So coordinates can be negative, positive. Find the coordinates. Chalo, fourth one. Find the coordinate of the point on the x-axis which are at a distance of 17 units from the point 11, minus 8. Yes. Find the coordinate of the point on the x-axis. So let me write any point on x-axis. Any point on x-axis. Any point on x-axis. Yes, I have explained you. Any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. Yes or no? Has y coordinate 0. So this result you have to remember. Has y coordinate 0. So any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. So I can take the point as A as, let A be the point having coordinates. Yes, having coordinates x comma 0. So let A x comma 0 be any point on x-axis. Okay. Any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. So this is my y coordinate, second coordinate. So let us draw. Let us take any point A. This is my A. This is my B. A I have taken x comma 0. Because A is a point on x-axis. So its y coordinate must be 0. And B is given. B is 11, minus 8. 11, minus 8. B is 11, minus 11, minus 8. 11, minus 8. The distance between them is 17 units. Yes, AB is 17. Find A. Okay, find A that is x comma 0. So you have to find x, put the value, you will get the coordinates of A. So what do you want me to solve this? Tell me, let me solve one question. So this point you have to remember. Any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. Similarly, any point on y-axis will have x coordinate 0. So the point will be of the form 0 comma y. Okay. Any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. Any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. Origin means 0 comma 0. Origin has both the coordinates 0. Chalo. So we can directly write the formula. AB will be square root of SCF. You can write x2 minus x1 or you can write x1 minus x2. Both are same. So let me write for our convenience x1 minus x2. X minus 11 whole square plus 0 minus minus 8, 0 minus minus 8 whole square. Are you getting? Whether you write x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, they are one the same because a minus b whole square is same as b minus a whole square. AB is given 17. 17 is square root of x minus 11 square. Simplify x square minus 22x plus 121. 0, 0, 0 minus minus 8 will be plus 8 square is 64. So 17 is equal to x square minus 22x plus 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 2, 185. So now you have to remove this square root sign. So squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. You will get 17 square is equal to, when you square this right hand side, square root sign will vanish. You will get x square minus 22x plus 185. Now 17 square is 289. 289 is equal to x square minus 22x plus 185. Now take 289 on that side. So 0 is equal to x square minus 22x plus 185 minus 289. Minus 289. So x square minus 22x. Yes, what? 104. 104. Okay, let us see. X square minus 22x plus 104. Yes. 104. So you will get x square minus 22x plus 104 is equal to 0. Now let us factorize this 104. Let us see. 104. 2 5 are 10, 2. Then 2 26. Minus 104. Yes. Now 2 13. 2 13. Then 13. Now you have to find two number. Find two number whose sum is minus 22 and multiplication is minus 104. Yes. So you can make out this. 13 2s are 26 and 2 2s are 4. 26 and 26 and 4 difference is minus 22. So I can take minus 26 and plus 4. Yes. Minus 26 and plus 4. So x square minus 26x plus 4x minus 104 is equal to 0. So you will get x minus x into x minus 26 plus 4 into x minus 26 is equal to 0. So x minus 26 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So that will give you, yes, that will give you x minus 26 is 0 or x plus 4 is 0. So that will give you x is equal to 26 or x is equal to minus 4. Now x is a coordinate, so coordinates can be negative. Okay, so finally the value of the coordinates of A will be 26 comma 0 or the coordinates of A will be minus 4 comma 0. And this is the answer. So this is the point on x-axis whose distance from the given point is 70. So 26, 0 or minus 4, 0. The coordinates can be negative as well as positive. Yes. So it is 9:30. Our period is up to 9:40. No. Yes. Our period is up to 9:40. Huh. Now next one is find the coordinates of the point on the y-axis. Find the coordinates of the point on the y-axis. This I will give homework, but I will explain beginning part and then calculation part I will give homework. Find the coordinate of the point on the y-axis. Find the coordinates of the point on the y-axis. Yes. Find the coordinates of the point on the y-axis. Which one? 0, y. Yes. So fifth one, you will write any point on y-axis. Any point on y-axis. Any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. Has x coordinate 0. X coordinate 0 means, yes, first coordinate 0. So let A first coordinate 0, 0, y be any point on y-axis. Be any point on y-axis. Be any point on y-axis. Now you are given A, B, A is 0, y, okay, and B is given any point on y-axis from the distance from minus 8, 4. The distance of point A from B minus 8, 4 is 10. AB is given 10. AB is given 10. So you will write the formula. Yes, so further part I should give homework. Okay. Then you will get the value of y. Yes, is it clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. Then sixth one. So sixth one, you will write one. A point A is at a distance of root 10 units from the point 4, 3. Find the coordinates of the point. Its ordinate is twice its abscissa. So this you write note. Okay. If you are given the coordinate x, y. Okay. My x is first coordinate. My x is first coordinate. And y is second coordinate. Okay, this we know. Then x is also called. Let me take a comma. A comma b. A is my first coordinate. B is second coordinate. A is also known as x coordinate. A is also known as x coordinate, and B is also known as y coordinate. Then sixth one, it is given abscissa. Okay. Then A is also known as, first coordinate is also known as abscissa. A is also known as abscissa. Okay. A is also known as abscissa. And second coordinate is also known as ordinate. Second coordinate is also known as ordinate. So this you remember. First coordinate is abscissa, second coordinate is ordinate. Now let us solve the sixth. A point A is at a distance of root 10 units from the point 4, 3. Find the coordinates of the point A if ordinate is twice its abscissa. sixth one. Okay. So sixth one you are given ordinate is twice its abscissa. Ordinate is twice its abscissa. So if you take abscissa as x, what will be ordinate? Tell me. Yes. If you take abscissa as x, then ordinate will be 2x. So I will write let A be the point. Let A be the point x comma 2x. Yes or no? Abscissa means first coordinate. Ordinate means second coordinate. Okay. Let A be the point x comma 2x. Okay. This is my x is my abscissa. X is my abscissa. And 2x is my ordinate. So A is having coordinate x comma 2x. Because ordinate is twice of abscissa. Abscissa is x, then ordinate will be 2x. Abscissa is x, then ordinate will be 2x. Because abscissa, ordinate is twice of abscissa. Ordinate is twice of abscissa. Okay, so let us draw the diagram. I have taken A as x comma 2x. Ordinate is twice of abscissa. Then B is 4 comma 3. B is 4 comma 3. The distance between them is root 10. The distance between is A and B is root 10. Root 10. Find A. Find A. Find A. That is x comma 2x. Okay. So we use distance formula. AB is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 square. So x minus 4 square whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square. AB is given root 10 is equal to root x minus 4 whole square. Okay, you can do one thing. X minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square. Now there is square root sign on both the sides. So directly remove the square root. Squaring both sides. Directly remove the square root. Squaring both sides. So when you will square both sides, root 10 square will be 10. Are you getting? Yes, root 10 square root sign will vanish. 10 is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square. So 10 is equal to x minus 4 whole square, x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 2x whole square, 4x square minus 2 to the 4 minus 12x plus 9. Simplify. 10 is equal to, yes, 10 is equal to 10x is equal to x square plus 4x square, 5x square. X square plus 4x square will be 5x square. Yes. So 10 is equal to 5x square minus 8x minus 12x minus 20x, 16 plus 9, 25. Take 10 on that side. Divide each term by 10. Chalo. So divide each by 5. So you will get 2 is equal to x square minus 10x, 5 4s are plus 5. So you will get x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and multiplication is plus 3. So what are the numbers? Plus 3 and minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1. When you will add, you will get minus 4. Multiply, you will get plus 3. So x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is 0. So that will give you x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That will give you x minus 3 into x plus 1 is 0. So that will give you x is equal to 3 or x is equal to -1. Huh? Why -1, my dear? Why -1? X is a coordinate, no? X is the coordinate. X is not the distance. Are you getting? So what is given A? A is x comma 2x, no? A is x comma 2x. So what will be A? A will be 3, then 2 into 3, 6. Or A will be -1, then it will be -2. So these are the values. Third last step, this one. Above that. Yes, yes, yes. -1. Yes. So x is equal to +1. So 1 comma 2. Yes. 3 comma 6 and 1 comma 2. 3 comma 6 and 1 comma 2. Yes. What the answer? Yes. 3 comma 6 and 1 comma 2. Yes. So ordinate means second coordinate. Abscissa means first coordinate. Abscissa is same as x coordinate. Ordinate is same as y coordinate. That is known. Now see you in the last period, 6th period. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye.